You're right there, ladies and gents. How's it going? The time's come. The time's come for me to face the facts. The exhaust pipes I've got fitted on this bike are just a little bit too obnoxious. So, yeah, I got myself some Mistrals. They're meant to be the daddy. Let's get them fitted.
Keep that bike rubber side down.
So swapping these cans over is really quite simple. You need to take this bracket off the standard exhaust pipes and make sure you get it the right way round. And then you need to fit that onto these two nuts, these two studs here. Use a bit of Loctite, it will stop it vibrating off, or at least help stop it vibrating off. There's also a spacer to make it fit the correct size diameter for the downpipes on the V7-1, which I guess this is sort of. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Taking off the old exhaust pipe is as easy as putting on the new one. I'm only going to go through this on one side just because it's no point repeating the same thing that's just duplicated. It's symmetrical on both sides. Now, although I've got aftermarket cans on this already, removing them is pretty straightforward. You've just got an Allen key and a 13mm, and then you've got a Allen key here to slacken off the clamp. That just slides off, and then you can bolt the new one on. Simple as that. When putting this on, make sure you put it on the right way round. Now the exhaust pipe goes on that way, and you need that to the back and the innie bit to the pipe. Stick the sleeve in the end, leave it poking out just a little bit because you want it flush with it once it goes on here, and then just slide it on. Until it just about lines up, yeah. And then put the bolt back in. Now I'm just going to put a bit of Loctite on this as well, just to hold it in place. And then tighten it down a bit. Okay, before I completely nip that up, I'm just going to tighten up this one. And then nip this up. And there you have it. I've already fitted the other one, so it's all good to go. Let's see what it sounds like, shall we? That's a super easy install. Anyone can do it. You don't need to pay someone else to do that. I just want to say a huge thanks to Gutsibits, Gutsibits UK, guy over there. He's been dealing with me with getting hold of these Mistral cans. It's been a bit of a pain with the old lockdown to get hold of bits, especially from Italy. So yeah, massive thanks to Guy over at Gutsibits. I like good customer service, so I'm really pleased with how well I was treated by them. So I'm definitely going to be going back there as a repeat customer. Okay, so the sound on these isn't offensive, but it is a bit more throaty than the originals, so I'm quite happy with that. It should be MOT friendly now compared to how it was with the straight through cans that I had previously. So that's good. That means I don't need to change them every time I've got an MOT come up. And it should also now be nice and track day friendly too, which means I'm not just restricted to the likes of Anglesey with this. I can get this over to Brands Hatch again, and maybe some others further afield too, which will be blooming awesome, because this thing is such a giggle on track. Okay, so the next thing on the agenda for this bike is to get some new tyres on it. These ones have got loads of tread left, but they are looking a little bit worse for wear after the track day I did at Anglesey. And I've also got some fancy tyres to put on here which I want to try. Hoping that they fit. I'm really hoping that they fit. It's the tyres that they use in the V7 endurance racing. So it should fit. It should fit. We'll have to wait and see. But that's next on the agenda. And then I want to get an MOT on it. So I don't know what I'm going to do, whether I'm going to get the MOT done first and then get the tyres, or get the tyres done and then the MOT. Doesn't really matter on the timeline for me, because I can ride my other bikes in the meantime. But I really would like to get out on this while the sun's shining, because I can only use it in the sunny days. I hope you found this interesting. I hope you found this useful if you're thinking of changing over your cans. The same process for whatever silencers you're putting on the bike, but the Mistrals are lovely. They really are good quality cans. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with them, and looking forward to playing, looking forward to getting out and thrashing this thing around the streets and the tracks. Right, well, my knee and ankle have just about had enough of crouching down like this. So if you haven't done so already, please do click that subscribe button. It'd be awesome to have you come back and watch some more of my videos. I've got another couple of bikes as well. I've got an Enduro, a Beta 390 RR, and I've also got a Triumph 765, and all of which appear in some of my videos. Currently, it's a lot of garage stuff just because of the situation we're in. But I am hoping to get out and about on the bikes at some point soon. We are now allowed out to go and do things on them. I've not ridden throughout all the lockdown up until now, just because I can't justify, got pigeons, couldn't justify a pointless ride, whereas now we're a little bit more free to do stuff. So I will get this out, I will get this ridden, and you will see some on-bike footage from me soon. Anyway, if you like this video, if you like Mistrals, if you like Moto Guzzis, if you like V7s, if you like motorbikes, if you love a good biscuit, whatever, please give this video a little thumbs up, and if you didn't, you can always give it a little thumbs down. That's all cool, we don't mind at all. But whatever you do, please do drop in a comment. I love hearing from you. Anyway, you ride safe, take care, and I shall catch you all in the next one. Bye bye for now.
Keep that vibe. rubber side down. You know, you gotta keep that bike rubber side down.